I need to calculate what the profit would be of each of these items were sold. It needs to be shown in an attractive format. The way to do that would be to create a report. I'm going to close the table. I'm going to create a report. I'm going to use the report wizard. I'm going to base it on the table new items. Now, I'm going to add item ID and description and in stock and cost price and selling price. I'm not going to put in supplier code because that's not necessary. Next. Next. Finish it. Now here we have my report, but I need to add a field here at the end to show what profit I would make if everything was sold. Well, I'm going to have to move these fields up. Let me close print preview. I'm going to make everything a bit smaller. Select, hold down Shift, move up. Select, hold down Shift, move up, and make it smaller. Select, select, make it smaller. Now I will have space here to put in a new field to do my calculations. Now to add a new field, I'm going to go to Controls, and that would be my label. This is what will go here, will tell me what it is. And then I'm going to say here profit on all items. Now here I'm going to put the text box, and it's in this area where I'm going to put my calculated fields. I'm going to begin with an equal sign, and I'm going to say selling price, square bracket, and spell it correctly. Selling price. It's not really correctly, it must be spelled exactly as it is here. Selling price minus cost price, so it's square bracket, cost price, square bracket, and I'm going to put those in brackets because I want that calculation to be done. And then I'm going to say multiplied by in stock. Looks correct. Is it correct? No. What have I done wrong? I've left out the square brackets. So selling price minus cost price, get that for each thing, and multiply by the number in stock. Let's view it. That looks correct. Now I've got to organize what it looks like here. I'm going to go into design view, and I'm going to take away the little label there which said text. This, I'm going to make them both the same size, and I'm going to select, hold down Control Shift and pull it in. I'm going to make sure that this is currency, and to do that select it, properties, format, down, currency, close. I don't want this box to have a line around it. Select, right click, properties, format, border style, transparent, close. Let's look at it. I'm nearly ready. That needs to be aligned to the right in the same way that the num values are, and that has got to be changed. Design view, that must be right aligned. Where do I go? I go to format, right align. Now this has got to change, and that must have a new name, and that must be profit on items. Profit on items. Everything correct? I certainly hope so. Home, view, report view. I think that's correct. That had to be in the heading, profit on items, but I had to save the report as profit on items. Now, I haven't got the correct name there. Now, if you want to rename a report, you actually have to close it. Now, I'm not sure. Oh, it's new items. Yes. Now, that is the one that we were working with. Yes. And that is the one that must be renamed. And you can only rename it when it's closed. Profit. There we are. We now can see the profit on all the items that are here in stock.